In this essential iPhone tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Telegram on iPhone and set up your account in minutes. We will cover how to download the Telegram app securely from the App Store and complete the Telegram setup so you can start messaging your friends immediately. You might be looking for a messaging app that offers more speed, better privacy, or just want to join the channels and groups your friends are talking about. Telegram has become one of the most popular communication tools in the world for exactly these reasons, offering cloud-based messaging that syncs across all your devices. I am your host, and in this simple guide, I will show you exactly how to get this app running on your device. We will cover the process of finding the official app, downloading it safely, and getting your account registered with your phone number. By the end of this video, you will be ready to send your first encrypted message. To get started, your requirements are very straightforward. First, you need your iPhone connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network to download the application. Second, you must have a working phone number. Telegram uses this number to verify your identity and create your account, so you will need to be able to receive an SMS text message during the setup process. Let's begin the installation process. You need to locate and tap on the blue App Store icon on your home screen to open it. Once the store is open, tap on the Search tab in the bottom right corner and type Telegram into the search bar at the top. You are looking for the app simply named Telegram Messenger with the classic blue paper plane icon. Go ahead and tap the Get button next to the app to start the Telegram download. Your iPhone might ask you to confirm this action with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open, so go ahead and tap that to launch the app. Now we will handle the Telegram setup. When the app opens, tap the Start Messaging button. You will be prompted to enter your phone number, so type that in carefully and tap Next. Telegram will text you a verification code, which you simply need to enter into the app to verify your account. Finally, the app will ask for permission to access your contacts and send notifications. Allowing these will help you find your friends and see when they message you. Now that you have the app, it is a great idea to check your privacy settings immediately. You can go into the app's settings to control who can see your phone number and your last seen status, which is a key feature for Telegram privacy. Also, for extra security, I highly recommend enabling two-step verification in the Privacy and Security menu to protect your account from hackers by requiring a password in addition to the SMS code. If you run into trouble, the most common issue is not receiving the SMS code. If this happens, double-check that you entered your phone number correctly and that you have a cellular signal to receive texts. If the app refuses to download from the App Store, you should check if your iPhone has enough storage space available or if you have a pending iOS update that needs to be installed first. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have successfully navigated the App Store, downloaded the official Telegram for iOS app, and verified your account using your phone number. You are now fully connected to one of the fastest and most versatile messaging networks available. I truly hope this iPhone app tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like, as it really helps the channel grow. If you are interested in more guides on the best apps for your iPhone, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you joining Telegram for secure messaging with friends? Or are you interested in joining specific news channels and groups? I am very curious to know. Thank you for watching.